see them as a form of modeling clay, and you have to take that modeling clay and mold it into something beautiful, and that's what their minds are doing, is that they're learning so much that hopefully by the end of this week and in the future that they'll have enough understanding that they'll want to go into this line of work.
I think coding will be a good opportunity to be able to get a good job, because I thought it would be fun to learn how to code so I could do cool things.
Because my mom works at the Georgia Cyber Center, and I like coding, and she wants me to grow up and do coding, since she said it'd be an easy job to get since they're looking for more women.
I learned how to code LEDs on a mini-bot.
I like block coding because it's really easy, and I'm just not great with a keyboard just yet, so I'm not good at JavaScript, but I can do it.
There is so much out there, and it's changing every day. And I think that the younger these children are, and if they get exposed to these tools and techniques, that'll be more beneficial later on in life. There are a lot of things that were not available to me when I was this age, but are available today to them. So I think it's very beneficial for them to get exposed to these tools and techniques early on.